It has been written about this already more than 100 years ago, that geopolitically, China and Russia should not be together. In other words, one should split them apart. But the neocons in the US, in their incredible stupidity and incompetence, have managed to cement a friendship between Russia and China. This is unique in history, that a group of people in government act entirely contrary to their interests. The interest of America would be to be friendly with Russia as a counterbalance to China military, or be friendly with China as a counterbalance to Soviet power. But no, what the US has managed, I mean, this is something for a record, a Guinness Book of Record in geopolitical mistakes. What the US has managed to do to unite Russia and China is hard to believe, but you needed an American State Department to be this incompetent.